Hey guys, how are you all? We have almost forgotten that HTC was a smartphone company because they have not launched many of the smartphone in the last 2 years. HTC has now announced two mid-range phones, HTC U19e and HTC U19 Plus. In this video, we will see the details about the budget or a mid-range phone from HTC, that is HTC U19e. Starting with its display, HTC has made a great inclusion here by giving an OLED display. So HTC U19e will be having an 6-inch of OLED display with full HD plus resolution. Coming to its processor part, HTC has used a Snapdragon 710 processor, which is a great mid-range processor with amazing performance. This Snapdragon 710 is coupled with 6GB of RAM and there is an 128GB of onboard storage. HTC was known for their great camera phones, so here there is a dual rear camera setup given at the rear, which is of 12MP main sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and a 20MP of secondary sensor with an aperture f2.6. Dual selfie camera has been given here, which has got an 24MP main snapper with aperture f2.0 and there is a secondary sensor which is of 2MP, which you can use for iris scanner for secure unlock. So there is a traditional rear fingerprint scanner has been given, so we had expected actually a in-display fingerprint scanner. HTC U19e comes with an extraordinary purple and modest green color variants which are unique, and this phone will go on sale from June 12 in Taiwan, and in other countries it will be launched for a price range of around $450 to $500 in other countries. The deal, so on June 12 it will be available in Taiwan and in July or August it will be available in other countries. So this is all about the HTC U19e. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.